values by Gonzalo Gonzalez. I am the youth of the land. I am told that I am inconstant and frivolous, that I am soft and easygoing. I am accused of being supercilious and cynical, of not having the right attitude. And since I do not know where this country is headed for, that I wonder with a gloomy sense of foreboding, what shall I do with this land when it's left to me as my heritage, when it's left to me as my home? I really do. I really experience, but I'm not blind. I can see the future with a certainty that I alone can feel, for I feel it in my gut. As I see my leaders who have built a towering mansion on stage, and the sun shift and the towering mansion fall, not a pillar stand for all its ruin, and wandering along the shadows, and in the tunnels of ruin, I stumble upon the monument of conflict, and my soul is black and resentment, and I curse them with hatred, the guilt they possess, as I stain at the big sky and rain. And the future becomes vaguer, and more fearful in its vagueness, as it comes closer and terrifying in certainty. I am alone and helpless in my youth, and I reach for her hand to guide me, and what I ask is so little. Give me leaders who shall lift themselves above the maras of martyrdom, who shall revolt themselves no longer in the privileged minority, but in the house of other privileged majority.